guys, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a cool song here that we're gonna rock. It's from Machine Gun Kelly. It's called Times of My Life. Very straightforward song and obviously fits guitar very well, so we're gonna dive right into this one. As you can see, no need for any setup here. You just go clean on fretboard, and then we're gonna use 4 chords that just rolls. Okay, so we're gonna look into the chords first, starting with D. That goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Next chord is A, open A, second D, second G, second B, open E. Then we're gonna use a bar chord, which is the F sharp minor. You're gonna place your index finger on the second fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. And then finally we're gonna end with the E. And that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Okay, so that's the chord progression, and we're gonna look into the strumming now that covers 2 chords. So we have 2 parts of the strumming. We're gonna look into the transition here from D to A. Okay, so let's start with part 1, D. It goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, then down up, and then up. Okay, so that's part 1 for D. Down, down, up, up. And then right there, you're gonna switch to A, and it comes very fast, and you're gonna continue with down, and then down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. And if you combine it to parts here, it will be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And you can see the pattern here, a lot of down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that is the pattern here. So slowly, these 2 chords goes like this. And then you apply the same principle for next 2 chords. F sharp minor is played in the same way as D, part 1, and then E in the same way as A, part 2. So the last 2 chords goes like this. And together, 1 round. A couple of rounds in standard tempo like this. And there you have it, guys. Times of My Life, Machine Gun Kelly. Hope you enjoyed it. Very simple song to play and learn and immediately feel like a rocker. So give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Thank you very much and play tuned.